Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I didn't have an exam today, and today is November 28th 2025. Today is Friday. I don't have exam today until I'm still in Ogumaki. So today guys, I discovered something serious. I discovered three habits that are secretly eating up our future. Seriously. And I'm going to review this habit. I'm going to expose these habits in this video. There are just three. So, and the thing is that most of us don't even realize we are doing these things. And I'm going to say we are doing it every single day, and we don't still realize it. So, guys, let's fix them before 2026 meets us unprepared. So, guys, like I said, I will be revealing the three habits that are secretly eating up our future. Like seriously, they are trying to make us low in the future. They are trying to make us low in the future. And to be real, I'm going to review those three habits and how to fix them. Like I have always said, I'm going to review a lot of things about our future and how to fix them. So guys, let's get into it. Habit one is the endless scrolling. I call it the endless scrolling. Sorry. Look, let's be honest. Most of us don't even enjoy scrolling anymore. We are just doing it because our brain wants cheap dopamine. We are just doing it because let me just do this thing. It's something I've been doing before. But to be real, most of us don't even like it anymore. You said you want to check TikTok for just 2 minutes, then suddenly it turns to 47 minutes. You said you want to watch one YouTube video, now you are 30 videos deep. It's not our fault, guys. The habit kills this kind of habit. It kills our focus. It kills our confidence. It kills discipline. It kills our ability to start and do things meaningfully. And it also kills our ability to think. So, to break this kind of habit, the fix is to set realistic goals. Let's be real. I call it the 5 minute rule. So, this 5 minutes rule is something you can do to break the habit of the endless scrolling, which is common among we Gen Zs. The 5 minutes rule is just like this. Before you open your phone for entertainment, do 5 minutes of something productive. Study for 5 minutes. Do 5 push-ups. Clean your table for 5 minutes. Read one page. Brainstorm content for 5 minutes. Like, do you get what I'm saying? Before you check your phone, like before you carry your phone and you just want to entertain yourself, just try to do something productive for 5 minutes. That's how the 5 minutes rule goes. So just read a book for 5 minutes, or read one page, or clean your desk or clean your house for 5 minutes before you take your phone for entertainment. That's how the rule goes. So guys, habit two is starting too many things at a time. We Gen Zs, we like to start too many things at a time. This also partakes to me. I like to start too many things at a time. I just want to check a lot of tasks at the same time, and it's so backwards. I've not been productive doing those kind of things. This starting things, starting too many things at a time, it also destroys our future. It destroys our dreams and everything. We start too many things at once, and it's not supposed to be. Today, today you want to learn coding. Tomorrow you want to learn the graphic design. Next week you want to learn forex. Next month you want to learn drop shipping. Next month, another month again, you want to start print on demand, POD. Another month again, you want to start trading. Again, you want to start IG. You want to become a content creator. You want to become an IG influencer. Then you say you want to go to the gym. You want to do YouTube. All of those things are just too much. This is it. You are not busy. You are busy. This is okay. Let me say it like this. You are busy, but not growing. You are busy, but you are not growing because you are starting too many things at once. You are active, but not processing. Because I need you to understand this. Think of it like this. Think of it like this. You are building the foundation for 50 houses at once. Yes, foundation 1, 2, 3, 4. You know you want to build 50 houses now. This is the layer for one. Foundation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 down to 15. You are trying to bring all of them up. You are trying to build the foundation for 50 houses at the same time, which is not going to be possible unless you just want to do it rubbishly or you want to do it halfway. That's how it always end up. And so guys, the fix is to choose one skill. Yes, choose one skill. Just choose one skill, and not just one skill, die. Just one skill anyhow. Choose it and go all in for 90 days. Set calendar, track your wins. Go in on one skill for 90 days. That's one skill. That one skill must be something that improves your future. Your future value must increase going on into that one skill. 2026 must be something we are all going to be proud of. And if you are watching this video, even in future, even beyond 2026, that's okay. This kind of video still resonates with every Gen Z's throughout throughout the generation of our time. So you might be wondering which kind of skills will I pick. You can go for content creation, graphic designing, video editing, coding, marketing, speaking, public speaking, writing, and sales. There are so many high value skills you can go for all in for 90 days. Go all in for 90 days. Look, if you keep if you give one skill 90 days of consistent practice, your whole life will change. That's just a fact. That's just a fact. Look, I practiced graphic design for 90 days and I tracked my grind. I tracked every day. I make sure I did one design every day, even though it's just to place even though it's just to place an apple behind in front of an element, maybe just a star or a heart. If it's just to place an apple on a table every day, I make sure I do something every day. But not just do anything every day. This is what I do. I make sure I do something better than yesterday. For 90 days, that's how I did it. And now I've been receiving money from my graphic design jobs, graphic design gigs, not online. I do my graphic design physically, manually. I search for customers manually. I don't get customers online, but I get customers around my areas, around me, around my community. I get customers. So guys, that's the way we Gen Zs can make money. That's something we have to know. We have to pick one skill and go all in for 90 days. So guys, habit 3. I said I'm going to give you 3 habits that are secretly trying to destroy our future. And I said habit 1 is the endless scrolling, and habit 2 is starting too many things at once. And habit 3 now is thinking instead of trying. We think too much instead of us to try what we are thinking of. Look, this habit steadily. We think too much, but we don't try enough. We think more than we try. That's just the simple explanation. We think more than we try. Okay, let me give you an example. You say you want to start YouTube, but you are still planning. You say you want to start YouTube, but you are still planning, trying to figure out the content you are going to use for months. You are going to use for the next 2 months, 3 months. You haven't even started. You are planning month 2 content. You are planning month 3 content, and you haven't even started at all. That's so backward. You say you want to go to the gym, but you are still waiting for the next month. You are still waiting to feel motivated. That's not how it's supposed to be, guys. You say you want to start content, but you are still waiting for a better phone. I started content creation. I didn't even wait to know how to edit videos. I started content creation. Immediately I thought of it. Immediately I thought of starting, I just started. And I'm going to give you a fix for that. But look at this. You say you also want to apply for jobs. We are still waiting to know more about the job. As graphic designer now, you say you want to go on Fiverr and get some works, but you still waste time planning your profile. You waste time Actually, it's good to set our profile as a graphic designer. It's good to set your portfolio and everything, but doing it too much just kills your improvement. It kills your moving forward. So guys, every day you think someone else is doing, and seriously, that's one of the things that keeps me going. I just feel like, no, I just feel like I want to start this thing. Then I kept thinking about it. I thought about it today, I thought about it tomorrow, I thought about it till next week. It's not good. If you keep thinking, just know that someone else is already doing what you are thinking. So the only way to meet up with that person and pass the person is to start now. Start immediately. Start immediately. And the simple fix for this, I call it the 48-hour rule. The 48-hour rule. If you get an idea that can improve your life, you must take an action within 48 hours. That's the rule. If you get an idea, take the action towards the idea within 48 hours, nothing less. It could be filming a short video, researching something, taking a tutorial, applying for jobs, brainstorming for 10 minutes, creating a plan. Just make sure it's within 48 hours. That's how you build momentum. Small actions equals momentum. This is it. These habits don't just kill our progress, they kill our confidence, because deep down we know we can do better and we can do more. I've always been saying this. Everyone knows they can do better and they can do more. But fixing them is about becoming perfect. It's about becoming 1% more disciplined than yesterday. Every day I keep making videos. I know I'm improving better than yesterday. And you guys might watch it and be like, still the same thing. But within me, I know I am improving. And that's what you should also try to inherit. Make sure you do everything. Make sure you do one thing, one skill, or anything you are trying to build or focus on. Make sure you do it every single day. You don't have to make it perfect. Just make sure you're even just 0.1% better than yesterday. So guys, these three habits, they shape our future more than anything else, and we have to fix them. Fix just one and your life will immediately feel lighter, cleaner and more focused. You don't have to fix everything at once. Pick one and go all in for maybe just 1 week. Pick one habit I've mentioned today, fix it, try your best to fix it. No, nobody is perfect. Even me, I haven't fixed all those habits I mentioned, but I'm trying to let you know. You guys might not know about it. That's why I'm making this kind of content, so I can know about it and be aware. We have to be aware, because aware people that are aware, they are dangerous. And if you are aware of something, it makes you stronger than those who are unaware. And guys, if you find this video helpful, I want you to go to the comment section and comment what habits you are going to fix starting from today. Immediately after you've watched this video, which habits are you going to fix? Let's build our future one step at a time. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.